Atkins Civil 3D video series, STRM 3D, Storm Drafting Enhancements. This video illustrates A. Add drafting enhancement to structures in plan. B. Add drafting enhancement to structures in profile. Due to the limitations in the structure part catalog, many storm structures created in Civil 3D do not accurately represent the characteristics of the actual structure. Drafting enhancements are used to make the structure appear as desired in plan and profile, and to make the drawing more aesthetic and professional looking. Atkins has created a drawing that contains numerous enhancements for structures and pipes in plan and profile views. The enhancements include inside structure wall lines, a circle for the access cover, and a wipeout along the outside of the structure. With a wipeout, any lines or other objects that extend into the structure will not be seen. A drawing file, structureenhancements.dwg, is included with the tutorial drawings. All construct enhancement line work are placed on layer C Storm Enhance and existing enhancement on layer EX Storm Enhance. I enter to start insert command. Browse, drawing reference, Atkins structureenhancement.dwg, open. Insert points specify on screen, place check mark. Scale 1, do not place check mark. Rotation 0, do not place check mark. Explode yes, place check mark. OK. Pick clear area between plan and profile for the location of the enhancement drawing. Many types and sizes of enhancements are available. The enhancements can be scaled, stretched, and contain polylines where available. VP, select viewports, 2 horizontal, OK. The enhancements are shown in the top viewport. The bottom viewport is used to show the location in the drawing where the structures are located. Add structure enhancements in plan view. This is a curb inlet that has a length of 5 feet and a W of 4 feet. Locate the desired type and size of enhancement. These enhancements are for the existing structure. These are for the construct structure. This is an enhancement for a 5x4 box. CO, enter. Select the enhancement, enter. Pick a point near the center. Move the enhancement in the vicinity of the structure. There are several other structures of the same type and size. Pick escape to stop the copy command. AL, enter to start the align command. Select the enhancement, enter. With snap on, pick a corner of the enhancement. Pick a corresponding corner in the structure. Pick another corner of the enhancement. Pick a corresponding corner of the structure. Enter, enter. Where a structure has a greater or lesser dimension than the enhancement, copy the enhancement to an open area and use stretch command to stretch the length or width to the desired dimension prior to aligning the enhancement to the structure. Inlet extensions are added to some curb inlets to increase the length of the opening in order to intercept greater stormwater flows. 5-foot extensions are to be added to each side of the inlet shown. CO, enter. Select the enhancement, enter. Pick a point on or near the extension. Align the extension to the current structure. AL, enter. Pick the extension. Pick a corner. Pick the corresponding corner of the structure. Pick another corner. And pick the corresponding corner of the structure and enter twice. Modify the note. Edit label text. Enter with 5-foot extensions. West and east. OK. Curb inlets are to be added to the top of the RC box in some locations. Copy the type and size of the rectangular structure enhancement. The RC box shown has a length of 5 foot. CO enter. Select the 5x3 box and copy to the vicinity of the curb inlet. Escape. Align the box to the curb inlet. AL enter. Pick the enhancement. Pick a corner of the enhancement. Pick the appropriate corner of the structure. Pick another corner of the inlet. Pick appropriate corner of the structure. Enter. Flared end section enhancements are used to enhance the appearance of the structure. The enhancement is drawn for a 1 foot diameter pipe. Copy the enhancement. CO enter. SC enter to start the scale command. Select the enhancement. Pick a point anywhere and enter 4.5 for a 54-inch diameter pipe. Enter. Align the enhancement. AL enter. Pick a corner. Pick another corner. Pick the corner of the structure. Enter. Add curb inlet enhancements in profile view. The enhancement and structure profile are both ortho to world coordinates and do not need to be aligned. For the 2 curb inlets shown, each has a length of 5 feet. CO enter to start the copy command. Select the appropriate curb inlet profile. Enter. With snap on, pick the center of the inlet. Pick the corresponding center of each structure. Escape. The wipeout contained in the enhancement will hide the structure and the cross-section of any connected pipe. Use cursor and pan the drawing to show the structure and any hidden connected pipes. To permanently display the hidden pipes, pick the hidden pipes. DR enter to start the draw order command. Pick front from the drop list and the connected hidden pipes will be displayed. S enter to start the stretch command. Select the bottom portion of the enhancement. Any selected Civil 3D objects will not be affected. Enter. Select the inside bottom of the enhancement at the location of the outlet pipe. Move enhancement to the elevation of the outlet pipe. Escape. Stretch the top portion of the enhancement. The top of the curb inlet should coincide with the top of curb profile. Stretch, enter. Select the portion of the enhancement that is not at the top of curb. Enter. Pick the top corner of the enhancement. Snap off. Move vertically to top of curb. Escape. Add curb inlet extensions in profile view. CO enter. To start copy command, select the appropriate extension. Enter. Base point with snap on. Pick the top corner of the enhancement where it connects to the inlet. Insert point. Pick the top inside corner of the inlet. Escape. S enter to start stretch command. Select the outside wall of the inlet. Enter. Pick the top outside corner of the inlet. Move vertically down and pick the top of curb. Repeat for the other side of the inlet. CO enter. Enter. Escape. Pick the label leader and move to the top corner of the extension. The elevation of the top of curb will change with the horizontal movement of the label. Escape. Add curb inlets to the top of RC box structures in profile view. CO enter to start copy command. Pick the appropriate enhancement. Enter. Pick the bottom corner. Pick the top corner of the structure. Escape. S enter to start the stretch command. Select the top portion of the enhancement, enter. Pick the top corner of the enhancement. We'll snap off, move vertically, and pick the top of curve profile. S enter to start stretch command. Select the top portion at the other corner of the enhancement. Escape. Move the structure label to the top of the structure. Add top of curve labels. Annotate ribbon. Add labels top part. Profile view. Station elevation. TC without station below. Add. Pick a profile view. Pick location for label. Pick location again. Pick the profile for the elevation. TC above. Add. Profile view. Label location. Pick profile. Escape. Modify the structure label. Pick the structure label. Move cursor right click. Edit label text. Add a new line with curb inlet on top. Okay. Pick the top of curve labels. Pick the square glyph. Move label. Pick the other label. Pick square glyph and move label. Move location of the structure label. Pick the label. Pick the square glyph and move horizontally. Escape. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.